The RAK Magnetic Wristband is a thoughtfully designed tool accessory aimed at handymen, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals who frequently work with small metal parts like screws, nails, bolts, washers, and drill bits. This wristband is made from premium 1680 ballistic nylon, which offers a rugged and tear-resistant exterior suitable for demanding work environments. Its lightweight construction ensures it remains comfortable during extended use, while the breathable mesh and adjustable strap provide a secure and customizable fit for most wrist sizes. The design is clearly intended to be practical and durable, reflecting the needs of mechanics, carpenters, and general handymen. One of the standout features of this wristband is its embedded magnets. It contains 10 extra strong magnets that are strategically placed to hold various metal fasteners securely. Users report that the magnetic strength is impressive, capable of holding a good quantity of screws and bits without fear of losing them during work. This feature eliminates the common frustration of searching for small parts or having to hold nails in the mouth or between fingers, which can be unsafe or inconvenient. The wristband acts like a mini tool belt for your wrist, keeping essential items within easy reach and improving workflow efficiency. The versatility of the RAK Magnetic Wristband is another highlight. It is not limited to any single trade or project type, but is useful across home improvement, construction, carpentry, auto repair, and various DIY tasks. It can be worn on the wrist, attached to a belt, or even hung above a workbench, providing multiple options for convenience depending on the user's preference and workspace setup. Comfort and usability have been well considered in the design. The adjustable Velcro strap allows for a snug fit that does not slip or become uncomfortable, even during prolonged use. The breathable mesh helps reduce sweat buildup, though some users in hot climates have noted it can still get a bit sweaty. The wristband is lightweight and does not add unnecessary bulk or weight, which is crucial for maintaining dexterity and comfort while working. From a practical standpoint, the wristband is easy to clean and maintain, which is important for tools that are exposed to dust, dirt, and grease. The strong Velcro closure is durable and holds firmly, ensuring the wristband stays securely fastened throughout the workday. While overwhelmingly positive, some users have noted minor drawbacks. The magnets are round and relatively small, which means you sometimes have to move screws or bits around to get them to catch properly. A suggestion from users is that flat, bar-shaped magnets covering more surface area might improve the magnetic hold and ease of use. Additionally, the wristband does not work with stainless steel fasteners since stainless steel is not magnetic. Users should be aware of this limitation depending on the materials they commonly use. Another caution is to avoid placing the wristband near sensitive electronics or credit cards, as the strong magnets could cause damage or data loss. This is a standard precaution when using magnetic tools, but worth mentioning for new users. The RAK Magnetic Wristband has been well received as a gift item, particularly for fathers, husbands, sons, and friends who enjoy DIY projects or professional handiwork. It comes packaged attractively, making it a popular choice for birthdays, Christmas, or other special occasions. Many recipients have expressed appreciation for the practicality and thoughtful design, often stating it is a must-have addition to their tool collection. In terms of performance, the wristband reliably holds a variety of metal items, allowing users to keep their hands free and focus on the task at hand. It solves a common problem in a simple yet effective way, enhancing productivity and safety on the job. The durable construction and quality materials ensure it withstands regular use without significant wear or damage. Overall, the RAK Magnetic Wristband is a highly functional, well-made tool accessory that meets the needs of a broad range of users. Its strong magnets, durable ballistic nylon fabric, adjustable comfort fit, and multi-purpose design make it a valuable addition to any toolbox. While there are minor areas for improvement, such as magnet shape and awareness of material compatibility, these do not detract significantly from its usefulness. For anyone involved in construction, repairs, or DIY projects, this wristband offers a practical solution to keep small metal parts organized and accessible. It enhances convenience, reduces frustration, and contributes to a safer working environment by eliminating the need to hold nails or screws in unsafe ways. The overwhelmingly positive customer feedback and high ratings reinforce its status as a reliable and effective tool aid. If you have experience with the RAK Magnetic Wristband, sharing your own review in the comments can help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description for easy access and to support this channel. This wristband stands out as a smart, simple innovation that truly makes life easier for anyone who works with screws, nails, and drill bits regularly.